Hi guys, it is a fun day of quarantine. It is quarantine day, who knows, but today I was able to get some ingredients and I'm going to make cake. The ingredients say you need 1 cup of water, 3 large eggs, and 1/3 cups of oil, vegetable oil. Now, I just spoke to one of my friends, and my friend Maria, and she told me I should use milk instead of water, so I'm gonna do that. She said it makes a big difference and that it would taste a lot better. So I'm gonna be using oat milk. I have this measuring cup, but it's kind of broken in the bottom, so I'm gonna hold it so it doesn't drip. It says 1 cup of water, so we're gonna fill it up to here with milk. There it is. I'm gonna show you guys how it drips. But luckily, it's on the thing, so it's fine. Okay, let's put the milk in. Great. Cake mix. Smells really good already. Smells like chocolate chip cookies. Now my boyfriend's laughing at me because the past few times that I've made cake, even using cake mix, hasn't turned out too well, but I think this time's the charm. Let's add the eggs. That's 1 egg. It says 3. This is 2 eggs. Now let's do number 3. Let's get it out. Technical difficulties. Measuring cup, 1/3 of vegetable oil. Let's do this. That's a lot of oil. I feel like I should use less. But for the sake of trying to make a decent cake for once, I'm gonna use everything the instructions say except for the water. Now I'm just gonna use this to mix because I don't have anything else. Just mixing. I'm gonna be using this small base, but I'm gonna put some butter around it so that my cake doesn't stick. So I'm gonna do that now. This is what it looks like before it goes in the oven. I've added the cake mix to it. Now let's try this out and see what happens. For anyone that doesn't live in New York, this is a Manhattan kitchen. Very small, very practical, old school style, nothing fancy. What does it say the time? Five more minutes. It's looking good. Should I test it? I don't want to mess it up either. It doesn't feel cooked. Oh, I just added another 5 minutes because it still feels pretty raw. super liquidy. I ended up adding an extra 30 minutes to my cake. 15 minutes the first time and another 15 minutes the second time. I think I put too much water in it. It was an experiment. My friend recommended it. Not water, milk. I use milk. I think I put too much milk, even though I did the measurements that the thing said, so I don't know. Right now, but I'm gonna decorate it. You'll see. It's gonna look really good. This is the hardest part, which is turning the cake and putting it in here. Let's do this. Let's just do it. Okay, this is not going well. Let's try to. So it's not attached anymore. I don't know why it's not coming out. I just burned myself. Okay, I'm over this. I'm not doing this. Okay, there's gonna be another way. Hold on. No, I need to do this. I need to be able to do this. I need to do this. You could do this more. I did it! All on my own. Add in the frosting. Looks good. Looks really good to me. More frosting. It's a cream cheese flavor, so it's supposed to be really good. I mean, it looks really good to me. It's not maybe the most pretty cake. It's not something you could sell to people, but it's made with kindness and love, and I love it. Can't let your losses get to your heart or your wins to your head. Not that this is a loss, this is a major win. Major win. I wish I had some sprinkles to put on the top. It would make it look really nice. All right, friends. It is now cooked and ready, and we are going to try it. Well, I'm going to try it, and I'll be completely honest. If it sucks, it sucks. If it's good, it's good. This is what it looks like. It actually looks really good. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna use a regular knife because clearly I don't have anything to cut cake with. Here it comes. It is so good. So good. And it's not because I made it. It's amazing. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna eat this whole thing myself. I'm gonna pair it with my favorite. I'm so happy because I really didn't think it was gonna come out good. It's literally better than I would have ever expected. I hope you guys are proud of me. This is actually the first time I am baking a successful cake. I've done a few in the past, but they haven't been as good as this one. So, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. And you should try to make it too, using milk. Wow. I need another slice. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed my video.